Welcome to English Fluency Series number 1. Today I would like to share one technique for the beginner who want to learn English and who want to fluent of English. At the first times, I want to say something. Most of the men show that I have no times, but I want to fluent of English. But if you are observed how much year you are spent to learn your mother tongues, about 4 and 5 years. But that is one language. For the one language we don't spend just for the 1 month. Just we practice 5 and 6 days, then give up. And most of them and every man have it 24 hours. And 24 hours they have no time to practice for the 1 hour. Just for the 10 minutes. Even though few of kinds of people have no times, just practice just for the 1 minute. Have no time just for the 1 minute in the 24 hours. And today I would like to share my personal experience. I personally apply one of the technique that is called is the just 1 minute. This is the names of jam technique. At first times I know one of my best teacher in the YouTube. He shares in here the jam technique, and I am personally apply these jam techniques in 9 months, even though I am now applying the jam technique. What is a jam technique and how to you apply of your fluency levels, growth your fluency levels, how to you apply? Just you fix any kinds of topics in your around a lot of topics. Just you fix any kinds of topics without the preparations. Just open your camera. In the first of the times you fear, you fear, and you have no confidence, and you feel nervous, and a lot of things face the problem. But if you are consistency, I hope that you will feel better in the previous times. So who went to learn English but have no times, there is a best technique of this the person's jam techniques. There is a not only foot, not only jam, jam, just 1 minute. So thank for the watching. See you on the video, and let's start for the today of these techniques. This the name is jam technique. Thank you.